Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload files to your Github repository step by step, no coding required. So as for the step 1, log into Github. First go to github.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the repository where you want to upload your file. I'm sorry I can show you that because I haven't used this yet, but I'm eager to help you all to know how it works. And as for the step 2, open the repo and click add file. Inside the repo, look for the add file button, usually on the right side. Click it and select upload files from the drop down. And step 3, upload your files. Now you will be on the upload page. Drag and drop your files here or click choose your files to browse and upload manually. Once your files appear, scroll down, and for the step 4, commit changes. In the commit message box, write something like uploaded files, then click commit changes to finish uploading. And that's it. Your files are now uploaded to Github. Like and subscribe for more simple tech quick tutorials and keep building cool stuff. Thank you so much for watching.